holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays and greetings. Gio here.
Juan Carlos.
And we are coming to you from the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, directly behind us. We are staying here for the first time.
Yeah, welcome home.
Welcome home, they say. Yeah, so excited.
This is one of our home resorts, and it's the first time that we're staying here. We've been here many times already, but it's the first time that we're gonna actually stay here, and we're super excited.
Super excited. And we're just a few days before Thanksgiving, so that means one thing. Holidays are in full bloom. We get to see all of the gingerbread goodness here at the Grand Floridian. So we're going to take you around the resort. We're going to show you everything we want to. We're going to take you around the resort. Hey!
Hi!
How are you?
You're now
it's
at
Randy.
the Grand Floridian Resort, and you picked the most amazing day to be here. Last night, our guests were treated to the putting up of the tree.
Oh,
yes, so all the decorations are here. The tree is there, all 30 feet of it.
It's perfect.
Spectacular in there.
We're
It's gonna be
excited.
a great day. I'm excited to have you here.
We are excited. You know our mantra is?
What's the mantra?
Happiness is a lifestyle. Pretty good, right?
Nice.
Pretty good?
Yes, I like that a lot. Yeah, you got it. That's what it's all
Well,
about.
thanks. We were just telling everybody about the Disney magic, and we're hoping the elves are here. So
Oh, they are. Oh, yeah, they were here all night last night. Oh, yeah.
So
Have
excited.
a great time.
Thanks.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thanks for making magic, Brandy.
These guys are awesome.
Thank you. How
That's
cool
the
was
Disney
that?
magic.
There you go, Disney magic. That's Randy, the greeter here. So cool. So yeah, I can't wait. We're gonna go in and see the tree. I didn't know if it was gonna be up yet because we're not quite to Thanksgiving yet. So we got a tree, we got Gingerbread House, all kinds of other goodies, and we're gonna take you all around the resort with us, show you what we see, and there we go.
Welcome.
Welcome. Happy holidays, everyone. Here we go, walking in for the first time of the holidays, our first day. Wow, you can smell the gingerbread. Oh my gosh. This is stunning. What do you think?
So beautiful. This is the first time that we are here for the. No, it's not the first time that we are here for the fall. We saw the gingerbread once already. Yeah, they were saying.
Wow. Would you look at that tree?
It's so beautiful.
It's so massive. It's so huge. And it's so exciting to know that we're here on day one.
Yeah,
We're checking into the resort the day that they put the tree up. How cool is that?
magic was waiting for us.
It was. And yeah, so by the way, today is, what is today? Today is November 20th, just a couple days before Thanksgiving. And Disney magic is alive and well.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt.
So as we were sitting here waiting for our room, the PhotoPass people set up right in front of the big giant tree. And you know, why not? We're gonna come back and do it again when we put on our holiday garb, probably tomorrow before the holiday party. But yeah, check it out. We got our picture taken in front of the tree. So cool. we just got notice. Our room is ready.
And the crows are greeting us.
And the crows are saying, hey. So we're in Big Pine Key, which is the newest section of the DVC. And I'm taking you to...
I love that they have little...
Yeah, they have games out here. And dominoes and
It's
long
getting nice.
golf.
It's getting nicer out. It was a little warm when we first got here.
Yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. So we're gonna go check out our room, see how it is. I'm excited. The sun is shining. Juan Carlos is sneezing. There's the pool.
Gonna do a little twirl.
We'll do a twirl after. We'll take you around the grounds. The pool's open till 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. That's nice.
Oh, by the way, look what we got.
Oh yeah, we got these cool new little... Here, let me zoom in. It says, Happy Holidays, DVC. Here we are, we're at Big Pine Key. Let me show you the little sign. Little touches of Christmas in here as well. Lobby area. Going up to the 4th floor.
I like that lamp.
Juan Carlos likes the lamp. $9,409. All right, Amor, I'll let you do the honor using your magic band. Here we go. Okay, click.
Wow.
Smells fancy. Ooh, look at that. Hi, there you are. Beautiful. Very elegant.
See. Look at that. Wow.
Let's see. I guess this is the most important part. What's our view? Wow. We have a lagoon view and a balcony overlooking the resort and the contemporary. Let's check it out. And the crows are crowing.
Crows are greeting us. Hola, crows. Ow, ow. Ow, ow.
Several hours later.
I'll spend all these Christmas with you.
So this is when you do it. You come back from the park a little before midnight and it's peaceful. You can hear the music. There's not thousands of people down there clamoring for some gingerbread. This is why you stay at the Grand Floridian, for these moments. Wow. Just take it in. I am. One thing I just discovered in looking at the tree without anybody here, there are little plaques all around the tree, some low and some really high, so there's some duplicates, but the plaques represent the 12 Days of Christmas, the song. And I went around and I found all of them except number 2. I can't find the plaque for number 2. So if you've been to Grand Floridian and you've seen plaque number 2, Tell me where it is on the tree. Put a comment below because I just spent like 10 minutes wandering around here. I don't see it. It's got to be there, right? All right, everyone. Well, day one here at the Grand Floridian is coming to an end. And I couldn't think of a more spectacular moment than right now.
It's peaceful. Why?
Absolutely. And this is one of the reasons you buy DVC. Because most of the day guests that come here are coming in to see it and then they leave. And it's chaos in here during the day. But right now it's a little before midnight.
And these shows.
It's like so aromatic in here. You can smell the gingerbread. It's peaceful. We got the Gingerbread House behind us. Just nice and quiet. I mean, this lobby is absolutely magnificent.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So, we've had an amazing day. We hope you enjoyed watching our little video of us arriving here at the Grand Floridian. And now we're going to bid you adieu because tomorrow is another day. We hope you have an amazing holiday season, however you celebrate your holiday, right?
Yes.
And until next time, remember,
Happiness is
a lifestyle. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. And see you soon. Oh wait, yeah.
subscribe, like, and share.
Yes, please do all of that. And we'll see you next time.